Hello, I have some viewer mail. A lovely viewer of mine has been helping me redecorate my kitchen, which is much appreciated because right now I have like zero budget because everything's going towards my cat. So yeah, I got something awesome from a viewer. So in this big box here, let's see if I can lift it up. How many pounds is this? I don't see where it says how many pounds it is. But here's this big heavy box. So I'm gonna leave it on the floor when I open it, but let's see what all's inside here. Now she wanted to get me a new dinnerware set. So I believe that's what's all inside here. And she let me pick out which one I wanted. So very excited about that. Oh, there's another box inside the box. Okay. Well, that's a little difficult. Let's see if I can get the other box out of the box. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I should have opened it from the bottom, I guess. I don't know. I hope I don't break anything. Okay. Boxes. So we got a box inside a box. Very exciting. Very exciting. I hope nothing's broken in here, because you never know with the shipping. Okay, we got more boxes inside boxes. Sorry, it's very heavy. I can't like lift it up to show you. Okay, here's one box. Let's see what's in this box. Ooh. Look at these pretty plates. I like that they're square too, because I love square plates. And they are Gibson Elite dishwasher and microwave safe. Great. So I got two of these size plates. Very beautiful. Let's get another box out of here. There's just a empty box. Okay. Let's see what's in this smaller box here. Okay, we got little, what are these, salad plates? Entree plates. I don't know. I should know these things, right? But yeah, little plates here. They're really cute. I love them. So pretty. I love the like teal green color. And what I'm thinking is I might someday get like ceramic paint and paint like seashells on them or something. I don't know. Or mermaids or something like that. I don't know. Make them match my decor even more. Okay. We have another box here. I think this is more of the big plates. have more big plates. So there's 4 little plates, 4 big plates, and we'll see what else is in here. So here's 2 more big plates. Okay. We have another box here. Ooh, this is one thing that I was super excited about because I don't have very many mugs right now. Look at these mugs, they're so pretty. Nice. And they're microwave safe, which I'm not sure if my other mugs are microwave safe, but I'm happy to have some microwave safe mugs. Very cool. We got 4 mugs in here. I think the others are going to be bowls, I'm pretty sure. Oh, there might even be more stuff in here. I don't know. No, this is empty. Oh, but there is... That's empty too. Okay, never mind. So there's one more box, and I think this is the bowls. This is very heavy. Let's see what's in here. This is the bowls, by the way. Oh, these are so cool. I love how they're like asymmetrical. Very cool. They feel like nice to hold too. They're black on the inside and that teal green on the outside. And we have 4 bowls too. They're nice big bowls also. Very cool. Very cool. Okay, let's see how much this box weighs. Or weighed when it had the dishes in it. Let's see if she wrote anything. Okay. I don't see the weight on here, but it was very heavy. So thank you so much. You know who you are. I know you want to remain anonymous, but thank you so much for everything you've done for me. And yes, I love it, and I really appreciate everything you've done. It's great. So I will leave my address in the description box down below if anybody else wants to send me any fan mail. I always love fan mail. I can't always like respond to everything, but I do want to like eventually give back if I can. You know, I'm not the richest person in the world, but you know, especially if my channel starts to grow and I start profiting off my channel, I'll like definitely give back more. But or if I get a job or something like that. But right now I can't really afford much, you know, especially right now because I got to take my cat to the vet. That's why the giveaway is put on hold, because I wanted to buy more stuff for the giveaway, and plus I wouldn't even be able to afford shipping until after I get my cat taken care of. But I should hopefully get her completely taken care of this month, and then next month I can buy more makeup and stuff from TJ Maxx or wherever I find makeup. And I wanted to get stuff other than makeup too. I wanted to get some tarot cards and I don't know what else. If you have any ideas for anything you would like to see in the giveaway, go ahead and leave it in the comments down below too, and I'll consider it. I hope you all have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye.